Assalamu alaikum Gambia Force albadi mala muhajjis wane ngal be konton ka fola nyaton kol ngal konton yo ngani audio men for janten sainten ni for janne pour ka to nyim forumo jang molel be nyim forumo to jang ni la kibarol moy tatasi radio bunguta ko ka fu Gambia dingol ko kamfa be UDP le UDP kamfa patrioti be mbali be UDP alingata bar de mbalo fadani kansulu le mbakelle because ñinu to ñato ñunu yefan sacrifice le kat west coast la campaign femman tof kasiati west coast la campaign femman kolea kasi ñini sacrifice ta yela time bula idole le do ko tuje iko kata MPP le represent ka ke council bar jam fami mbal kam biru wato alma long aser kanyim al kanyim même fo ñim kundi ngolati lafta doron pour ka même fale doron barona la sulu koreo anala sulu koreo ha بقدرة رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما رب العرش العظيم والله على بكسينو Gambia ko Gambia be alhalo mento bi Gambia masibo men ko la bi na kelo nyanda ka ku ko teneti bari nyanda ka tambi ni lo la bake alimbe ngamira doron mo mel ko Gambia la economy Gambia la fanko boytale andun toñale mo fanko la boyal basaba nañ min tole banko la dalaso felenta kasarata na dalaso amam fenna fa kotake akata kayto takata funtungoti janning o mol ka fa banko la fanko boytali ka kafu baromo wolungo la banko la dalaso fon fisado manding barbi Gambia la banko la dalaso akasarata le e ka minister men to mi ka fa ko be baro kasara kan be kasaro ki kan baro masakuna o minister kilun lel beje fo bi minister kilim bon dije ita refa nata ka fo minister kilol men ka len ko dekabi du dem wo mo kilol wala sawnda doron ita refa na ifana lota deka bo xamantene dafa pan already amul ben fita ku koy fix because chief fita bi be ngalo ne hu wala londol kan tamale e ko ay ko he is clueless wala tara ko te kay jompute ka futama atela fo ala be sino lalle kansul mbala fata tele mbakele pour que yatel kel doron jo asi sagri got atel kay yatel sacrifice la doron ale la men jaaju je alkam kelo ke albe protest kam men na ko wala ntel ngana do kol kela fa banda after do la men jaaju saw ngam information ya wala soto ko la men jaaju ning amando ko soto man sakunda kono la atato mo de UDP so UDP man MPP mal boy ndi damade ma sembede hani but candidat même fango yalon ko NPP a sponsor je nata nyola we almost succeeded pour ka bonde abe damen na pour ka aina la UDP ka pour que Lamin Jaju is a very good guy hard working a role in Kiang particularly Masembe mobe yalon wato definitely so ngaje ko NPP lafta ka useless and ya useless because Lamin Jaju la campaign follow alka o campaign même for the Lamin fana lo contest ale wala before this by election Lamin ya fan sunkuro le dundi a boyta la bankrupt down to the art a boyta nyim fula nyam fana the same thing yawol ka Lamin Jaju la han nyin solo ke kanate somale iniya na Masembe so UDP ngana homework mandanda maka MPP ke boyndi Masembe ke humiliate je kamalota ka like bar Lamin Jaju ngol fon convince no anyanta kana UDP I'm not saying pour Lamin vida fo comme ene sontale wala manson hani bari nga fatale len ko albe jam fami ngun almalo bara mangi Lamin da mati molel bota UDP kununko kununko lol bota UDP bi wolel matel la boss nyolti MPP kono bi be do ko la top rank wolel kata bi tele bungol to nga muga fika to but bun ko law malo ma I don't know how to describe him that camera wo camera guy nga mo ko fitam bi Nafalenko, there is no trouble in UDP. And what was not time at UDP la problem ka problem UDP men ka altra wala masibot wo masibo wala fele nyinti wala do fele nyinti so mba fala lenko gamben ko bravo alinga katanga na banko vindi mol men yalon ko kalen ko alla jata ken bunda man tatakan o ministre men fon mi yalon ko ka castigate ka fayen ko amam fen no ama dogo fon no bi ikata o ministre sama dota ka newo ka fita ka konkon o ministre kel wala beje bi baro ma falen if defana bota ikotel bota parti dole ko itata MPP badi golo abe koyla star safuno mankala by the time baro balo ngaku ma sibole baka mantoro le baka he otuma ko ma jibe men kida ya jamela wallahi I'm afraid membe kala baro lo be kana garaw lawte 10 times wala mi ya jamme biring karto fighter fano keta Friday ya result announce ya jamme dam mabe so sirim ala cabinet karta ndaw jibe fadla min fayda malam ene ya wuda malaji sidi njay o borla radio to taring namanta jiates jana his excellency the president of the republic is not accepting this result will pursue this result at the court of law, so therefore everybody is urged to go home and exercise calm because his excellency the president Yaya AJJJ Jammeh is not accepting the result. The results are fraudulent. Therefore, we are not congratulating the president. In fact, he should be the one who should congratulate His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Yaya AJJ Jammeh. That 7 days minister of information, so called. Look at how it happened. Baro ayim birol membelo. They have never made any fundraising. This fundraising is one of the best fundraisings. One of the biggest fundraisings. What a lie, fallacy. What a deception. MPP. Yawo biro lo nyadile. Who knows it? Yawo biro yawo lo nyadile. Yakoro instrumentole. Shidinjai Kafu transparent. MPP is transparent. What transparent are you talking about? Who are you fooling there, my brother? MPP, atel council, you are already a sacred god. You atel sacrifice le fapareta. Ning haju bala, alala haju topoto. And dumbal ojla has young people of this country. Alinga kada backing nga could decide so masining na future. Alinga deciding for one. Alinga participate politikoto with integrity. Ninga wakadra benna falale. Albenna falale. Ning membe kerinting alko jam falemu. Ha! Barali mira fana MPP fana fa lo to jam fale kang. It was not based on good intention among MPP Londi. It's because of greed for power. Wala MPP Londi. And wherever there is greed for power, what happened at the end of the day will be betrayal. You are only taking for the cause of somebody. So because Omario, he never needs you anymore. But at the end of the day, the ball is in your own courts. But I believe governments will decide. And governments have already decided. Because Nimbanko Bikolea Nimbanko Mobile a debt of over 120 billion Gambian dollars. Wale Julobe Gambia Kamola. Julobe Gambia Kamola bi. Wul dalaso billion keme billion more. Wale Julobe Gambia Kamola. Many kafonu Gambia la economy a boitale, a collapsale, baro dekabi du dem. De ma he baro joge fofu nono. Mekelo la ngaji baro boje because baro munuko. Many kafanu baro is clueless, knows nothing. Be wolel kada ko tel ka baro defend. Do you think that is genuine? It's not genuine because you are falling a call. If you want to have a job for yourself, you only need to pray one sentence of praising Baro. You borrow one sentence to at the end of the day, in the morning, you will have your letter of appointment. Many of them kunung. Eko Baro ni left do ko so jedorong. Ajayi dorong. Ya find dorong. Mr. President, you are an angel. You just, my friend, you are a prophet. You are a prophet. Neo find at the end of the day, in early morning, you'll just see on your inbox that, my brother, you are hired to be Minister of Information, or you are hired to be a presidential advisor. You are hired to be an ambassador. Womolu, many along Baro is clueless. Today, where are they? They just made one sentence of praising Baro. Others, when the budget was presented at the National Assembly, the minister they were criticizing, they all of a sudden they jump and say, that budget was one of the best budgets Gambia government has ever tabled before the National Assembly. My brothers, this country is a joke. ha e kalen go nyimba ko la budgeto biri taka da man sakunda ko le taka dogo soro jedro ya mune fale e sawndal dro wula la kidin dro biri budgeto president national assembly kalen ko budgeto a nyumman president national assembly e ko budgeto ne man president national assembly Gambia Allahu akbar ministre kilo me yalan koy ka kastige de ka mana abdul bana maraba nyoto economy la karola e mam fellong at fen fana lonno la fotake amanu atanu la kotake o ministre ni bire o bujo president because fana la taka subo do kuntu je la muro diata Allahu akbar he badibule diata go Badibu is a sweet region in this country, my brother. They are the one who can turn 360 degrees. Hey, Gambia, is this the country we call home? Now, honey. Honey. Malala. A country that once in years, people are very proud to call Gambia a home because it was described as the smiling coast of Africa. Today, it's a crying home of Africa. It's a crying home of Africa. People struggle. Salary men sort of karo konola. Was salary you cannot even get them the food they want to put on the table. It's pathetic. A country that was known for Ninana Kombo de Molka Fengo, Itara Nyoya, Kombo Subo, Nyo. B, to have that access to that fish, sort of B, you have to go and then have like $1,000 to have that quality fish. Nyo me alan ko kuni kaso no $100, $200. B ni man so wuli kilimbondi. Ebe ko nyo soto no kadomo. Just only 8 years. Wole ka falen ko ka fanyi banko Cairo beje. Meta ka falen ko. Nkayen ko peace is not only in the absence of war. No. Amanke do ni mo la kido la nyoko ka mo nyofa woda mala mu Cairo ti. Hani. Kordatio Cairo tala korda kono la na wulta fano keta ala dimbala be do morunda menna ama soto no pour kadio dimbala o banko ko wokko da Cairo tarno korda kolla wokko da be sato men kolla Cairo tarno sato kolla wala family be kala nyaadi le so nyim banko be wonyale bi molle ka wuli bi they cannot even afford a fixed money for their family il faut que dépenses no pour kadio family la o mo be banko kambia ajama ba o banko ndel ka fo wole na banko ba. Is that the country we are calling home? We are calling a peace country? Peaceful on what aspect? Because people are not creating uprising. Because citizens are very patient and just relying on what? Ikafu ala wartale. Wallahi to nyalmu ala wartale. Ha. Andu ala nin sabar lalemu. Yajira dol ka moja nimol ko ala wartale dol ka fo hani alin kana fo wallahi ala wartale. Ala la kelo naka ke. Abuka mo nyininka. Wati jumalemu. Dula jumalemu. And then lunyo malemu. Ala kala kelo ke adeta nyamenna wallahi yafalu ma yurid ala ateleka doko ke min dia ateleka ko ke min dia tay idha arada shay'an fa inna ma yaqulu lahu kun wallahi fayakun ya jamme aya besu to jang fako in fact na molje me yalon ko they are instigating this and that here he is going to dig 6 or 9 feet and bury them 6 to 9 feet abe o dingol sin naka wol kawo molta ke bade hakke he is having confidence in himself that abetarani mako kan for million years nobody can take him out at the end of the day only one Friday Yajame said he have accepted the result and he decided to take the back seat. He came on Friday and therefore it was on Friday that Allah the Almighty God wills that he is going his presidency will come to an end. But let the president-elect give him time to transit and go and sit down in Kanilai and continue his farming. I will advise you one thing. Don't joke with the peace, with the security of this country. Today, there's insecurity in this country. B, tanko mantra banko kanya. B, nimbango tanko mantra nya. Molke lale ya wuli, ikijobe farare. Badi ngolu. Ala fo nyin kansulo lienko. We have a country to build. Aspiring council they aspire for positions in West Coast region. Let them see this country at heart. We have a country at heart. Mol me take kan kanafo kafo yenko kema nene ali alafo ye fanyi nkaba wo mol benu mintolo kunum brite be contest la place Allah ali fo ye Gambia je ninga Gambia jidron my brothers, even if you are not elected in position, my friend, you will be content with your country. You will be very happy with your country. You will not ask anybody why they betrayed you, because you will have an environment whereby whether somebody comes to your aid or not, you will succeed in your life. But why Bimbeteng? Is because our collective common future, that is about to be ruined, if not already be ruined. By who? Political opportunities. And that starts from Adam Barrow himself. B, 9 years today. No constitution for this country. B, 9 years today. There's no proper security sector reform. After the EU and partners spend almost 500 million euros for that sector to be reformed. B, as we speak, our farmers continue to cry without having their hard-earned money. Ya kodo menta ya do kuila kunkolto. Na senelalo. B be kumboka ne masotuno. Loi kuto masotuno. Tankola bunda falindro menta nyenda kakege. European Union, EU, ya kodo men investigate. Asana dalas euro kodo wulike million keme luluti. Adama Barrow. Being on the headline that 10,000 Gambians are waiting for deportation. Adama Barrow kateko atia labor agreement will sign with Spain. At the end of the day, over 10,000 applicants applied for that. Over 10,000 passports were applied. At the end of the day, only 39 of them is going to Spain. Is that a country we call home? What do we fight for? What should we fight for? Do we know? Do we see this country at heart? Badi ngolungal kontongal tentungal jay. Ala barakal badi mahaji swan. Assalamu alaikum.